Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shushmita and today's video is all about a Nykaa haul. Like I have shopped some of the products from Nykaa and I thought I would share with you guys. So without any further ado, let's just begin the video. Okay, so these are the products which I have shopped from Nykaa. Sorry, like small products are not visible. Actually, I shot the video but then I saw the video after editing but I didn't like the video. So I'm reshooting it and I have just thrown out the package of it. Like the package which all the products has came in, so I just thrown them out. So yes, this is how they looks like, and let's start with the so the very first product which I want to talk about guys is this one, eyelash glue from the brand called Bronson. It's a waterproof eyelash glue and it is pretty much affordable. I have teared the package because in my previous video I have used that eyelash. So yes, I have just teared it out and I used it, and this glue is pretty much good. It stays for a longer time and it's a good thing, and it's pretty expensive, like inexpensive. You'll get it under 200, and this is my first time trying out any kind of eyelash or eyelash glue. So yes, this is my first purchase which I purchased and I'm pretty much happy with this. And with this, let's move to our second purchase. So our second purchase, it should be of course an eyelash after the eyelash glue. So this is the eyelash which I bought from Nykaa, and it's from Nykaa only, and its name is Keep It Real, and the length is natural length. I like this eyelash a lot because I'm a person, I don't want that dramatic or that glam and eyelash where it can easily visible that you have wore some kind of eyelash. It's pretty natural. If you wear this eyelash, like it's not at all visible that you're wearing some fake eyelash. It's gonna mix in your eyelash, and it's pretty good. I have read so many negative reviews about this eyelash, and when I ordered that I was pretty much in doubt, all people are saying it's not good, it looks fake and it's totally not worth the money and all, but still I thought of trying it out. But in my opinion, it does not look fake at all, and it's pretty much affordable and it's pretty easy to use on your eyes and you can stick it with the eyelash glue and you are good to go, and you can use this kind of eyelash for every day. And if you are creating any kind of makeup look which is sort of everyday, not that glam, soft glam, nude or anything, so this is a pretty much good, and I really liked it a lot. And this is for the price $199, but I am sure I haven't got it for $199 because it was some kind of offer going on the Nykaa, so it was less than that. I'll put the prices of the product somewhere on the screen so guys you can check it out, and I'll put the links of all the products in the description box in case you guys want to check them out. You can easily do that. And with that, let's move to our third purchase. And before that, if you have watched this video till yet, please go subscribe to my channel. You can see below the red button. Please hit that button, and with that button hit the bell icon also so that you guys can get the notification of my videos whenever I upload the video. And if you love watching these kind of videos, I make videos on every Tuesday and Saturday at 11 am. So you can subscribe to my channel and you'll get to watch the videos on every Tuesday and Saturday. So with that, let's move to our third purchase. Our third product is this L'Oreal Barber Club Short Beard and Face Moisturizer L'Oreal Men Expert. This is how the product looks like, but I have not bought this product. Actually, I got it as a free gift because of the product which I have bought from the L'Oreal. There were some kind of sale going on the L'Oreal, offer going on the L'Oreal, because where you buy any L'Oreal product you're gonna get something free from them. So this is what I got free, so I cannot use it because it's for a man, so my brother gonna use it, and I'm not gonna show you guys or give anything about this because I haven't used it, and yet my brother also haven't used it. I asked him if you want to use it or not, he said he will use. So yes, that's it. And let's move to our main purchase for the purchase for which I have shopped all of the products. So this is the main thing for which I shop from Nykaa, and it's a L'Oreal Paris shampoo, conditioner and serum, all of these three in this big packet, and it's of the Total Repair range from their shampoo. And these shampoos are good for like split ends, roughness, smoothness and many more. So I mainly wanted to try L'Oreal shampoos because I have tried so many shampoos from other brands, but I haven't tried any like product from the L'Oreal, so I wanted to give them a try. And when I saw the offer, I thought it's a steal deal because I got the whole packet only for 482 rupees. And yes, it was a pretty much steal deal, you can say, because I checked the price of the shampoo on another like other apps where only the price of the shampoo was 482 because the shampoo is used, bottles are used. The shampoo is of I guess 704 ml, so it's quite used. And without any further ado, let's just open the packet and let me show you guys the product. So this is our first bottle of shampoo. It's quite used and it's of 704 ml. I was right, and it's written here that it fights 5 signs of damage, that is hair fall, dryness, roughness, dullness and split ends. So split ends are something which I face a lot, and split ends are like, they are something which you cannot do anything. You just can trim your hair regularly, like on a monthly or twice a month, something like that. You can trim your hair so that you can prevent them from splitness, like split ends. And yes, but I haven't tried these products yet because the previous shampoo of mine, the shampoo which I'm currently using is not over yet. So I'm like currently using that shampoo. When that will be over, I'll use these products. I'll surely let you know guys about the review, like whether they stand on their claims or not. But these shampoos are like basically for damaged hair. My hair is not that damaged, but still I wanted to try them out, and here it is. And this is the packaging. I really like the packaging. Packaging is quite cute. Here you'll get the pump thing where you just have to press and the shampoo will be on your hand. So I really like the packaging. It's quite sleek and classic, and yes, because I cannot say you guys anything, so I'm just showing you guys the product. This is how it looks like, and with this let's move to our so our next thing is the conditioner which come in that packet only, and this is how the whole packaging is. It's quite thin, sleek, and here you have to just open it and just squeeze the conditioner on your hands and apply on your hair. And this is how it looks like, and I really like the packaging of the products are so damn good, and the smell, they smell so good, you guys. I haven't even tried them, but like from the bottle only I can see they smell so good, and I love the shampoos which smells good, which makes my hair like smell good and keep it fresh and healthy. So yes, and if you guys want to try them out, you can try them out because the same offer is still valid on Nykaa. So you guys can check it out through the link which I'll be giving on the description box. And yes, with that I would like to tell you guys that please follow me on Instagram. If you don't, the link of my Instagram handle will be in the description box to follow me over there, because I post like regular content over there and we can be more connected with you guys, and I would love to do that. And if you follow me from the YouTube, do comment somewhere on like any of my posts that you came from Instagram, so that I can know that you guys have come from Instagram, like YouTube, sorry. So yes, this is how it looks like after the shampoo. You have to use it, but basically it's written here that is a free shampoo. So basically they have charged for the shampoo. The price is pretty good, like 482, and you are getting all 3 of the products. Because I'm a person who use conditioner and serum also, so I thought of like buying them separately. It's a good thing to, if I'm getting a deal where I'll get the 3 of the products together, so why not just grab them. So yes, this is how the conditioner looks like, and let's see the serum. Okay, so the like ml of this conditioner is 192.5 ml, so the quantity is 192.5 ml, and it's quite good and used. Okay, so this is our serum, and this is how it looks like. Let me open the box and show you guys the real product. So yes, this is the serum and this chotu sa pack. I really liked it, and it is of how much ml it is? It was somewhere 40 ml or something like that. I'm not finding. Yes, it's for 40 ml. It's written on here. So it's for 40 ml and it's a leave-in like serum where you just have to apply it on your hair and let it be in your hair. So this serum will protect you from the UV rays also, because they had claimed here that it has UV filters, and this is a serum which you will apply on your hair and it will immediately attach itself to the damaged area and will create a kind of layer to protect it from the sun. And this is a good thing, but I haven't tried it out. I'm just reading out the things which they have written on the box. So that's all they have said. And second thing which they have said, that this like serum will nourish your hair and smooth your hair, will make your hair silky smooth, easy to comb and frizz free. So this is all the things which we all want in our hair. And yes, with that, with that this haul ends here. I hope you guys would enjoy this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section what you think about these products. And yes, if you want to support me, share this video with your friends, guys, and I'll see you guys on Saturday 11 am. So stay tuned. Bye bye.